Hi.
How does it feel to be back in college?
It feels like I never left here. One small thing has changed. People like me a little more now, I feel. There's more cheering now.
Hey, we can't hear you. Let's give it up for Imran!
Hi, अरे यार, यहाँ ऊपर तक लोग हैं यार. Hi guys. Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, make way out for Kangna Ranaut!
Careful. यार किसी को चोट ना लगे.
All right, guys, you've got to maintain some amount of decorum. Easy, go easy. There are women standing around here. All right, guys. All right, guys. Just remember one thing. There are girls standing around. Let's be a little careful. Let's be a little safe. Let's not get crazy and violent. Imran Khan and Kangna Ranaut! All right. Mike.
Hello everyone. I live just one block away, so I don't know why so much excitement.
मतलब you're inviting them home?
Yeah.
आप सब घर आ जाओ.
Can you show them some love, guys? All right. कंगना, इमरान, पहले तो आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहेंगा कि आप जब रेडियो स्टेशन आए थे हमारे, तब आपने कहा था मेरी मूंछों की वजह से मैं अपना एज नहीं लगता, तो आपने पूरा सपाट कर दिया मैंने. इमरान, what do you think? Now do I look my age?
You look younger than your age now. You're 16?
Just running 16.
Running 16. हाँ, लगता है, ऐसे ही लगता है.
लेकिन बहुत फर्क पड़ा है आप में.
हाँ.
जब मैंने इनको पहले देखा था तो इनकी दाढ़ी मूंछ थी and I told him कि
अच्छे खासे
मतलब मरोड़ने वाली जो ट्विस्ट करने वाली मूंछ होती है वैसी थी. तो he looked much older than his age. अभी he looks बच्चा again.
Thank you very much. Alright, यहाँ पर ऐसा होने वाला है कि एक चीज मैं जो नहीं समझ पाया और लड़के आज तक नहीं समझ पाए कि औरतें कहती क्या है और समझती क्या है. यहाँ पे हमारे कई सारे
मैं भी नहीं समझ पाया.
मैं भी नहीं ना. And are you married or happily married?
Just married.
He's not married. Okay, so यहाँ पे there are a few girls and a few boys holding placards. कंगना, लड़कियां जो है, हाँ देखिए placards पकड़ी हुई है. आपको बताना है exactly what do girls mean.
You chose this one.
And Imran, you have to tell me what should a guy reply to these. So let me come here. Your name? Hina's placard says, do what you want. Kangna, when a girl says do what you want, उसका मतलब क्या होता है?
Hi Hina. जब भी कोई लड़की कहती है do what you want का मतलब है do as I'm saying.
For all the guys, I'll just give you translation. मतलब you're screwed.
All right, we have the next. Can we please have a big round of applause for Hina? All right. I'm getting home in 10 minutes. Imran, what does the boy mean when he says that?
When a guy says I'm getting home in 10 minutes, he means he will be home in 10 minutes.
No!
Kangna, आपका क्या कहना है?
ऐसा होगा.
It means I will be home in 40 minutes.
Hey.
All right, whose placard is next? I love this one. What is your name?
Kangana, it says I'll be home in 10 minutes, not I will be ready in 10 minutes.
Okay, this one's epic. Kangna, am I looking fat?
Okay. It means I am feeling very bad. I know I have gained weight, but don't say that.
And a gentleman's reply to that would be?
Baby, of course not.
Yeah!
और क्या? What else will a guy say?
You don't want to risk your dinner for the next few days.
You don't want to risk your manhood.
All right. I love this one. Your name, brother? Shahrukh.
Come on.
Shahrukh. What is your... Shahrukh, what does your placard read? She's just a friend. This is a dangerous one. I have fallen into this trap all the time.
ये थोड़ा dangerous है. It can go either way. तेरी शक्ल से मुझे लग रहा है कि वो फ्रेंड नहीं है.
कंगना आपके हिसाब से क्या है जब एक लड़का बोलता शी इज जस्ट अ फ्रेंड?
I think depends on the situation. अगर I mean depend करता है थोड़ा सा, अगर situation volatile है, then you want to say instead of she's just a friend, you probably want to say I don't like her at all. In fact, I don't even like when you invite her home for dinners.
Can we please have a big scream and shout? Guys, I'm not feeling it. Come on, you've got to encourage them. They work hard for a film and then film promotions. Some more love for our stars, please. I personally like that one. Is it your hot friend joining us tonight, Imran?
Oh my God.
What does that mean?
Yaar, there can only be one meaning to this. That means that you'd rather be having dinner with a hot friend.
Point. Kangna, what would you say to that?
That hurts. I mean, that's a very big...
Why else will you say that?
You need to dump this guy ASAP.
How many agree with Kangna? So how many have you all dumped till now? Give me a loud scream and shout.
She's showing only one finger. Bas.
I like this one. We're just friends. Yeah, we can just be friends. That's fine. We're just friends. Kangna, we're just friends. When a girl says that.
Oh, when a girl says that.
When a girl says that means the guy is not good looking enough.
To a hot guy.
To any guy. Like.
No, if she says it to any guy, then it could be genuine. But if she says it to a hot guy with a nervousness, it just means I'm ready to dump my boyfriend. For you.
You have to look at yourself when she's saying this. If you are not the hottest guy in the room, then you're probably just a friend.
Alright, now I have that one. Are you going to wear that? Kangna?
When a girl says that, it means you can't be wearing that. No.
अभी कपड़े बदलो, अभी जाओ.
आपके लाइफ में ऐसा कब हुआ है?
Go back or I'm
यार
not.
मेरे साथ बहुत होता है. I can't tell you how many times my wife does this to me. Avantika will say, अच्छा ये पहन के जा रहे हो? सब उतार दो.
Someone just said take your t-shirt off.
अच्छा ऐसा है? ये उस टाइप का प्रमोशन है.
बाबा, didn't you all just say अभी शादी हुई है? What is wrong with you all? Why are you so cute? The guy with the curly hair says, why are you so cute, Imran?
Why are you so cute?
Oh, girl says with you, 1, 2, 3.
I get the feeling that you're not just friends, huh? There are lots of girls who are not just friends.
Kangna, what do you think? Why are you so cute?
Why are you so cute? Has a guy used this line on you ever?
No, never.
Never. मौका देख ले यार.
How many of you think that Kangna is extremely cute? I am not feeling it. Come on, a little louder, guy. All right, my next question. We need to talk. I dread this the most. Be it my mother, be it my friend, or be it anybody else. We need to talk.
Boss, your story is finished. मतलब खत्म.
Exactly. Kangna, what do you say?
I think, yeah, this means like a siren, like a red signal, which means ke मतलब we need
asteroid
to talk.
is coming towards Earth. Life is going to be wiped out.
You know
this
the
is
last
what it means.
The last time, no, Kangna, Imran, when my mother called my dad and says, darling, I have a surprise for you. My mother said, yes, I know my mother-in-law is coming for a week and she's not going to be leaving. So yeah, I know. Women say something, they mean something else. Boys, do you agree? I am asking the boys. Alright.
You girls are taking control of this, huh?
Alright, so now we've got to...
Don't give them a mic, huh? पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा.
I'm extremely scared. They want you to take your shirt off and all that.
अच्छा ऐसे.
ऐसे मत करो. पिक्चर में देखो ना कितना टी-शर्ट उतारा है. So, alright. So we've got ये सिर्फ 3-4 सवाल है. आप लोगों को एक उठाना है.
ये बहुत dangerous लग रहा है.
ये हमारे दिग्गज स्टूडेंट्स ने छांट के निकाला है. That's a lot of Hindi for a Catholic boy.
Very impressive.
I'll read out.
I've got the अच्छा boy वाला question.
I will read this out. My boy, this is his.
Yeah. So this is a question for me.
No, this is one. I'll read this one.
Okay.
My girlfriend does not let me play video games. What should I do?
Guys, who has this problem? Acha.
No.
वैसे the truth is I've also had this problem.
This is for me.
Acha.
Okay.
So you
guys
Arre?
should spend some quality time together, and you guys should not play video games.
Why don't you try playing video games with us?
Please, guys.
Have you considered?
You know, I think in a relationship, time together means a lot. And I think if you prioritize your video game, it's not gonna get you to a beautiful
साथ
place.
में खेलते हैं. Why don't we play together?
Yeah, imagine playing together FIFA, PlayStation.
Dude, come
Yes, yeah, man. FIFA 15, FIFA 16 actually to be precise.
on. As a guy, can I just say I'm very hurt if my wife, my girlfriend, does not take an interest in my interests. Shouldn't you be supporting my interests, my hobbies?
Okay, fine. So how about dividing time? How about some cooking and music and candlelight dinner together and some poetry,
And
some
after that, video
romantic
games.
music and some video games. Okay.
Fair enough. Agreed.
Fair enough, boys and girls. Okay, question for Imran right now. My boyfriend off late gives me more attention. Off late, my boyfriend is giving more attention to his best friends. What should I be doing?
To his friends.
Yeah, to his best friends.
Acha.
So he's been giving attention to his best friend, yani girlfriend.
अच्छा, to another
Female.
girl.
Ah.
कमीना है यार. मतलब इसके इरादे पक्के नहीं हैं. 100%. If you don't want to tell me who's asked the question, it's okay, but I understand.
All right. So I have another question.
Crowdsource these questions, or what?
Yeah, all of them have.
So, मतलब there are some broken-hearted people in the crowd. So
कितने टी
my
टूटे
heart goes out to
आशिक?
you. इतने सारे आशिक हैं. अरे वाह.
Actually, this question is for both of y'all. My boyfriend is ultra messy. How can I get him to change? What do you want him to change? That is the question.
Well, I feel it's very important in a relationship to value everything. If he comes to your house and he leaves it in a mess, then you guys need to talk.
But what if his house is a mess? वो चलेगा?
What?
चलेगा? हाँ, ठीक है. Fair enough.
Yeah, but he can't
चलो यार,
come
मैं
to
बच
your
गया.
house and not value your things, you know. Because I think if someone loves you, he loves everything about you and he better value it. Or then you guys need to talk.
We need to talk. Guys, I'm not feeling your love and energy coming to the stage. थोड़ा ठंडा पड़ रहा है यार.
कहाँ ठंडा पड़ रहा है यार?
All right, this one's for Imran. My girlfriend and I have been dating for the past 6 months, but she refuses to acknowledge me in front of her friends. कितना घिसा बिटा आदमी है ये?
The problem is that this guy is not listening to her when she says, "Are you going to wear that?"
Ah.
This is the. Are you going to wear that? जब लड़की कहती है, "Are you going to wear that?" इसने उसकी बात नहीं मानी. That's why she's not acknowledging you as the boyfriend. Oh, yes. संभाल के.
Ladies and gentlemen,
संभाल के यार, किसी को चोट लग जाएगी.
there are girls out here. Let's be a little more careful. Thank you. And our last and final question. How do I know that he is the one? Kangna, how does one know that he is the one?
I want to know the answer to this.
How do I know? Because I haven't found the one yet. He's found the one.
But you know
So
what you're looking for, no?
He's happily married. He's got a kid. So he's got the one. He will tell you. He will tell us.
Imran, tell me what is the reason? What is the raz of your khoobsurati? How can you look this young? आपकी कोमल त्वचा का राज क्या है?
मेरे कोमल त्वचा का राज, I don't know यार. Diet, exercise, everyone does it nowadays, no? कौन जिम नहीं जाता है? तू जाता है ना?
मैं तो जा रहा हूँ, पर लेकिन but look at you, you look extra young.
Extra young.
Extra young.
अच्छा.
It's like we discussed the curious case of Benjamin Button. It's like that.
I'm going to get even younger now as time goes by. Wait and see.
So how do you know that the ideal one, this is the one?
Yaar, the truth is you don't know. You have to try your luck. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. Sorry, Kangana, you're going to have to keep trying your luck.
I don't mind trying my luck. might keep trying my luck.
वैसे what kind of guy are you looking for, you know?
I think I'm looking for someone like Imran, Sundar, Sushil.
Someone tall, someone with curly hair.
Just Sundar, Sushil.
I wish I was Sushil, not Glenn.
Sorry bro, I tried. Maybe next time.
Alright, Imran, this is something that you will have to just pass on to our lovely students, your t-shirts.
Acha guys, here we go.
Can we hear this song?
But this is only for the Sarphera people.
मैं भी सरफेरा. I can't sing, so can we?
वो तेरे लिए.
1 second. Wait. I think they deserve a big round of applause for coming all the way to your college. Come on, guys. Show them some love. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support.
अरे एक सेकंड, एक फोटो मैं भी ले लूं?
हाँ.
Okay, guys, hang on a sec. Got it. Thanks, guys. Instagram.
Take care, guys. Have a good day and study hard, study well, and rock the show. See you guys.